Hi Banu Prakash.
Hi ma.
How are you?
Fine ma'am, what about you ma?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking. So basically మీరు ఎక్కడి నుంచి?
I'm a native of Gadyar, district of Siddipet.
Okay. Good to hear that. And your highest educational qualification?
Recently I completed MBA Finance in Mallareddy Institution of Hyderabad.
Good to hear that. How do you know about SVC?
My friend Occupational Suggested Institution.
Okay. Good to hear that, Banu. So after you joined SVC, in your 2 months of course duration, what have you learned?
SVC played crucial during my career pitch. In SVC institution, they conducted joint sessions, group discussions. Because of the, I gained strong knowledge in communication.
Okay. So apart from the extra activities, I am referring to the course curriculum. Can you brief what are the topics you are mostly into?
In research, I gained a strong knowledge in financial statements, ratio analysis.
Okay.
In investment banking, I gained a strong knowledge in financial markets, derivatives, corporate actions, and more.
Okay. Good to hear that you have proactively participated in the extra activities and you are very punctual to the classes as well.
Yes, ma'am.
And we all know that you got placed in a very good MNC. Can you share your interview experience?
Recently, I got placed in FactSet as a research analyst. In FactSet, they conducted 2 rounds. First one is written test. In written test, they are mainly focused on mathematics, reasoning, and finance.
Okay.
They conduct second round of interview. They are mainly focusing on research and investment banking.
Okay.
They are asked mostly 90% of questions from SPC syllabus.
Good that you have cracked the interview and congratulations that you are in FactSet. So apart from this, for the upcoming freshers, what do you suggest to them?
SPC is a best platform for all finance freshers. I suggest all finance freshers to join SPC to crack the job.
Okay. Thank you so much, Banu, for your time. Congratulations again. All the very best for you.
Thanks so much.